Spirit 15 Kilo Heavy from Zulu, join Yankee, then Foxtrot, hold short, runway 22 direct.
Apologies, yes, I was just checking that one. So Zulu, Yankee, then Foxtrot, hold short, 22 right. Good.
4 miles ahead.
Yep.
Side slip.
Radio altimeter.
Right out live.
Check. Gear down, flaps down.
Slowly, 33 on the nose now.
Yeah, we're still catching this, guys. It's been a bit.
Yeah.
Spirit 15 Kilo Heavy, men instructions, cross on a 22 right at Gulf, and taxi right Bravo.
Taxi 22 right at Gulf, and then right Bravo, Super 15 Kilo.
Got the crowd coming in there.
Hey, Kennedy Tower, jet speed at 9, inbound 22 left.
Jet speed 9, Kennedy Tower, 7.5 miles and trail on heavy Boeing 747, caution away turbines, runway 22 left, clear to land.
1.8 DME,
Number 2, clear to land.
Hard check.
Spirit 15 Kilo Heavy, traffic is going into position as you cross right turn
Lane
Bravo.
checklist.
check the speed
Roger,
brake.
Super 15 Kilo, right turn Bravo.
And gear,
Down.
down, flaps,
30.
30. Landing check's completed, we are clear to land, all the lights are on.
Okay. Visual standard procedures.
Understood. Wind still coming off slowly, 20 on the nose, all headwind.
Spirit 15 Kilo Heavy on Bravo, monitor ground, good day sir.
Preceding guys on the runway.
Super 31.9.
Checked.
Capital 1834, exit Juliet, taxi via
18
Zulu,
knots, 3
Yankee,
from the
and
left.
Foxtrot on Foxtrot, hold short,
It is
runway
starting to
22 right,
swing
remain
there.
on the frequency.
Okay.
Juliet, Zulu, Yankee, Foxtrot.
Okay, preceding aircraft's clear, we're clear to land, the runway is clear.
Checked. Disconnect.
Capital 1834, what is your gate code today?
We're going to go with Whiskey Alpha.
Thank you.
On the nose, still all good.
500.
Stable.
Check.
On the nose, 3 from the left. Swinging around a little bit more now.
Yeah.
13 nose, 4 from the left. Now that's about it now. 9 on the nose, 6 from the left.
100. 50.
No change.
30. 20. 10.
Speed brakes up.
I'll reverse.
First is normal. Very nice. Second right of you, Juliet.
Copy.
Now we're doing 34.
Manual brake.
Understood.
Endeavour 3480K,
Auto brakes, 80 knots.
6 miles ahead,
Check.
runway 22 left, clear to land.
Clear land.
60 knots.
Qantas 11 Heavy, exit Juliet, taxi by Zulu and Golf. Hold short of runway 22 right, remain this frequency.
Juliet, Zulu and Golf, short of 22 right, Qantas 11 Heavy.
Copy.
Okay, so Zulu is a hard right. It's basically a 180. And then Golf is down a little bit.
Yeah, it's further up.
Yeah. Well, can't see any snow worth worrying about, can you? Zulu, it's the one that goes diagonally to where all the flashing yellows are.
Okay.
So you got Hotel is the next one to the left, and then Golf is the one after that. So second left, then hold short 22 right.
Copy.
Once we get over the other side, it'll be third seater call. Golf's your next left, and then you can see the flashing yellows there, hold short 22 right.
Speed 378 Tower 1239. JetBlue 1834 at Foxtrot, cross runway 22 right turn Bravo and monitor ground.
Clear across 22 right at Foxtrot, Bravo, monitor ground, can I JetBlue 1834?
Qantas 11 Heavy, cross runway 22 right Golf, taxi right Bravo on Bravo, monitor ground. Traffic is going into position.
We cleared across 22 right at Golf, and then right onto Bravo, and then to ground on Bravo. Qantas 11 Heavy. Cleared across, right is lining up.
To the left.
Delta 862, Sunny Tower, regional jet 4.5 miles in, runway 22 left, clear to land.
Go ahead, 22 left, 862.
Jet
so
B9,
right
exit
turn
hotel, you got a shelter, I assume?
That's affirmative, sir.
Jet B9, exit hotel, then taxi Yankee and Juliet, hold short of runway 22 right, remain at this frequency.
Can go Mike Heavy, and then continue Charlie and Echo?
Continue locating Charlie, then Acorn, zero Mike.
Okay, Booster 2997, continue Bravo, monitor tower 123.8, this is Mike. We do have Mike, continue on Bravo, I monitored the tower 23.9, ABC 2997, good day.
JetBlue 105 Delta Alpha, short of Alpha, Mike.
JetBlue 105, K ground, change to runway 22 right, taxi right Alpha, hold short Delta Bravo.
Grand, good evening, Qantas 11 Heavy on Bravo for Bay 6, Terminal 7.
Qantas 11 Heavy, K ground, continue Bravo, and hold short of New Victor Alpha.
Bravo, short of Victor Alpha, Qantas 11.
Qantas 11 Heavy, that's the entrance.
I think we've got to go in via Victor for gate 6, Qantas 11.
Roger.
You got the radio? I'll talk to the company.
140, affirmative, hold short Echo.
Speedbird Kennedy, Qantas 11.
105, if you didn't get it right out.
Qantas 11, we're now on the ground, just confirm we're clear on gate 6.
JetBlue 105.
JetBlue 105 on departure now, fly runway heading.
Runway heading departure, JetBlue 105.
Oscar 1027 with Mike for taxi.
Qantas 11, sorry, just say again, just confirm we're clear.
150, runway 3 left, kilo echo, taxi right Alpha, hold short Julia. 31 left, take kilo echo, right turn Alpha, hold short Julia.
Roger that, Qantas 11.
You would have Qantas and cross runway 13 left at Delta Bravo, continue Charlie and Echo, monitor tower 123.9 to 8
What they say?
Said to call approaching Victor Alpha.
Qantas, Delta Bravo, Charlie Echo for JetBlue 105. 105, we cleared across runway 13 left. And sorry, cleared across 13 left, JetBlue 105.
I'll tell her that in a minute. Alright, so it goes Delta Alpha, Delta, Whiskey Alpha, Whiskey, Victor Alpha. So once I go past Whiskey Alpha, I'll tell her. I think Alitalia would be on Victor Alpha, so that's where we got a whole short on.
He's on Victor, I think. It's Whiskey and
Whiskey, yeah.
Victor Alpha's the one after that.
That's BB Kennedy, Qantas 11, we're approaching Victor Alpha. We're cleared into gate 6 via Victor, Qantas 11.
Qantas 11 Heavy at Victor Alpha, you can join Alpha to the ramp.
Victor Alpha, Alpha to the ramp, and we're cleared in by Victor, Qantas 11. Alright, so second left, Victor Alpha, then a slight right turn onto Alpha, then a left turn onto Victor, and you can see the bay over there where the guys are standing.
Got it. Okay. OPF actually.
It's on the way up. It's running.
Okay, ground, continue Alpha and go back to the ramp. Are you still loaded? Alpha, go back to the ramp, yes sir.
The right
So
here.
it's a right,
Yeah.
and then another left. Is running.
Yeah, fish with the forward lights. The marshal it.
Yep.
Well, after 1027 Golf, you would RJ. That Golf will give way over to RJ, after 1027.
Cabin crew disarm the doors and cross check. Disarms ordered.
Dump 2004, okay, ground, away, 2 to right,
You're on.
give way to the Challenger, taxi left, taxi right, out, Ultra Vision.
Right, we'll give way to the Challenger to your right, Alpha, short of Victor, Delta 2004.
Dump 2004 is the Golf. Kennedy ground, Sonic 23 at Shelter, information November, taxi I-5. So is that Shelter? It's Sonic 23. Top 23, Roger, did you guys learn? We did, Scorpion 2234. Sonic 23, runway 2 to right, taxi via left, Quebec, and Papa Bravo, join Papa, hold
Fish the engines.
Alright, 2 to right, Quebec, Papa Bravo, Papa, hold short November, Sonic 23. Jet speed 9 or Papa Bravo, give it a serious opposite direction.